Look at this. I'm excited. Wait till you see what I cook on it. Hey, I'm Randy with BBQGuys, here exploring the Blaze LTE PRO gas grill. Word is this is the most advanced model yet. I'm ready to check it out.
With innovative features like a digital temperature screen, ergonomic lift assist handle, and a multi-purpose warming rack, the LTE Pro ensures outdoor cooking is easy and effortless. This is the Blaze LTE Pro 40-inch 5-burner gas grill on a freestanding cart. Also available in 32-inch 4-burner model, this grill can be purchased as a freestanding unit or as a built-in for your outdoor kitchen. Double-line 304 stainless steel protects the grill hood from heat discoloration while also retaining steady, high heat in the firebox. Despite the heavy-duty construction, the hood is easily lifted thanks to the clever spring assist mechanism. And the ergonomic H handle rotates when lifting for a smooth opening and closing. When opened, a magnetic latch triggers automatic interior halogen lights, perfect for an evening grill session. Under the hood, you'll enjoy increased clearance, which lets you cook even larger foods, like a full turkey, or provides more space for your rotisserie. The cooking grates are cast 304 grade stainless steel, 12 millimeters thick, nearly half an inch, for exceptional heat retention. Their hexagonal shape provides more surface area for food to touch, creating steakhouse quality sear marks that promise even more flavorful results. You'll achieve those perfect diamond marks sure to impress friends and family. Below the cooking grates, full coverage perforated flame tamers protect the burners and minimize flare-ups. Even better, these flame tamers help the heat reach every inch of the grilling surface and vaporize food drippings in an instant, turning them into delicious smoky goodness. The 5 burners of the LTE Pro are made from professional quality cast 304 grade stainless steel, each delivering 14,000 BTUs apiece for impressive, efficient power. Both the 4-burner and 5-burner models also feature a 10,000 BTU infrared rear burner, perfect for rotisserie. Removable heat zone separators divide the cooking surface into individual temperature zones, putting you in command of every square inch of space. That means you can melt butter for a basting sauce on one side of the grill while simultaneously searing a steak on the other. Push and turn flamethrower ignition system delivers a reliable start every time. Plus, a backup flash tube ignition with crossover channels ensures you'll always be able to start the grill no matter the circumstances. When lit, the non-slip knobs allow complete control of the LTE Pro and feature LED lights with temperature indicators that glow when the gas is flowing for added safety. Speaking of safety, the full-width design of the rollout drip tray combined with removable lower heat baffles makes this grill's grease management system simple and easy. Now when it comes to outdoor cooking innovation, the Blaze LTE Pro truly shines. Take the brand new multi-purpose warming rack. Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, this warming rack features specialized holders for foods like tacos and chicken drumsticks, as well as other delicate foods. Just as impressive, this warming rack includes stow-and-go capabilities so you can securely store it upright when not in use. Enjoy the included rotisserie kit, able to hold up to 15 pounds of food, fit with a waterproof motor, and for added convenience, there are hooks in the back of the grill for safe storage. At the heart of the LTE Pro is a digital temperature screen that instantly delivers precise readouts from the grill surface and the 2 included meat probes, so you'll never have to guess while grilling again. It's just one of the many reasons why Blaze boasts about this being its most advanced grill model yet. The freestanding cart for the LTE Pro is situated on 4 heavy-duty locking caster wheels for safe, simple mobility. The cart includes a single access door that opens to a sturdy internal shelf for convenient storage and a rollout drawer designed for a standard propane tank. Both the door and drawer are mounted by soft close hinges for smooth operation, and the internal compartments feature lights for increased visibility when opened. The freestanding cart also comes with 2 foldable side shelves, perfect for meal prep or simply expanding your work surface. All Blaze grills include interchangeable propane and natural gas orifices, so switching from one gas to the other is quick and easy and won't require a separate gas conversion kit. The LTE Pro Gas Grill is backed by the brand's best-in-class lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence knowing that it will last. And for those interested, the Blaze LTE Pro Collection also features a professional-grade griddle, now available for your backyard.
Thanks for watching today. Stay tuned for more expert reviews, and remember, at BBQGuys, life is better in your backyard.